Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to tell you about a couple DeWalt deals going on right now at Acme Tools. This first one is for today, Tuesday, November 15th only. When you purchase this woodworking 2-tool combo kit for $319, which includes a 5-inch random orbital sander and an oscillating multi-tool, one 20-volt max XR 5 amp hour battery, and an 8 amp hour fast charger, you get an additional 5 amp hour battery valued at $179 for free. Also, starting today, the 5 amp hour power stack batteries are available for purchase through the back order system. It typically takes around 3 to 5 weeks, so my advice would be to get on the list now. You can get either a single battery for $249 or a 2-pack for $369. I will include shopping links in the description if you'd like to take advantage of those sales. And also, if you like this type of content, this isn't the typical thing I do, but please let me know. I will do more of it if this is something that is interesting to you. So don't forget to follow, and not just here on YouTube, but also TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm everywhere. So as always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.